You had Nitish Kumar, who took oath in record 10th time as the Chief Minister of Bihar. For the NDA, this was a massive show of strength.
मैं बिहार राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में मैं अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा.
Record 10th swearing in as Chief Minister. A power show of NDA, with heavyweights making a beeline for Patna. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi's new victory sign. The swearing-in ceremony of Nitish Kumar as Bihar Chief Minister was a grand celebration of political resilience. It was Patna's iconic Gandhi Maidan, where Sushasan Babu took oath as Bihar CM for record 10th time.
मैं अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा.
His two deputies from BJP followed.
भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा.
24 ministers were sworn in by Governor Arif Muhammad Khan in the presence of a slew of top BJP and NDA leaders, and a mammoth crowd cheering wildly. At the end of the oath ceremony, Prime Minister Modi waved a gamcha at the crowd, his new victory sign, to mark NDA's blockbuster return to power. Nitish's family credited entire NDA for the historic win.
हम लोग का सम्मिलित योगदान है. भाजपा हो, उनके नेता कार्यकर्ता हों, हमारे जदयू हों, और भी चिराग पासवान जी की पार्टी, उपेंद्र कुशवाहा मांझी अंकल की पार्टी, सबका योगदान है. सबने मेहनत किया, काम किया. हमने जनता तक अपने नीतियों को पहुंचाया. उसी का फल है, 20 साल की मेहनत का फल है.
NDA leaders and newly minted mantris vouched for Viksit Bihar.
आज हमारी पार्टी से 2 मंत्री शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं. पार्टी ने यकीनन एक बड़ी जीत हासिल की है, जिस तरीके से परिणाम भी सामने आए, और मैं मानता हूं कि बड़ी जीत बड़ी जिम्मेदारियों को भी लेकर आती है. उन जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास है मुझे. आज के बाद से विकसित बिहार बनाने की दिशा में, बिहार को फर्स्ट और बिहारियों को फर्स्ट बनाने की दिशा में आज के बाद तुरंत प्रभाव से अब हम लोग युद्ध स्तर पर लगेंगे.
मुझे लगता है कि युवा जब जब राजनीति में आगे बढ़ते हैं या किसी भी क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ते हैं तो एक नई सोच और नई ऊर्जा को लेकर आते हैं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ अनुभव के साथ मार्गदर्शन भी होना चाहिए. तो आज जो कैबिनेट आपने शपथ लेते हुए देखा, मुझे लगता है कि युवा जोश और अनुभवी लोगों के साथ भरपूर था.
RJD's Tejasvi Yadav, who suffered a humiliating defeat, congratulated Nitish Kumar, ending his days-long silence. With Rohit Singh and Shashi Bhushan, Bureau Report, India Today.
In terms of presence of all NDA leaders, chief ministers, this was political muscle flexing of a different level. I want to pull in my colleague Rohit Singh, who's joining us for more. Rohit, are all happy with the ceremony in terms of ministers who've taken oath? Are any grudges there at all? Is somebody unhappy? What are the dynamics behind the sheen of this grand ceremony?
Well, Preeti, nobody appears to be unhappy at this point of time. 14 ministers from the BJP quota have been sworn in, 8 from the JDU, 2 from Chirag's party and 1 each from Manji and Upendra Kushwaha's party. So nobody is really complaining here. Now all eyes on what and when is the portfolio distribution going to take place, because what we are learning is that by tonight or early morning tomorrow, the portfolio distribution will be taking place, and then only we'll come to know that which minister has got what responsibilities. But at this point of time, it was a show of strength at Patna's historic Gandhi Maidan, and the kind of momentum that the NDA has got from Bihar they are very keen on carrying this momentum to the next elections that are taking place in 2025 and 2026 and 2027. States like Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, and in 27 you have Uttar Pradesh coming. So the NDA would be very hopeful and keen on carrying this momentum to the upcoming elections also. Back to you.
Well, thank you, Rohit, for joining us for that quick update. You are right, bang on. This was political muscle flexing of a different level at all, a complete massive show of strength and pretty much mirroring the mandate, brute majority, 202 MLAs.